Hello, everybody. Gbenga, Olatunji here. So today, still on the board of directors, we'll be looking at directors and the law. Directors and the law. Previously, we had looked at the role of the board of directors, the composition of the board of directors, the role of the chairman, chief executive officer, and non-executive directors. So today we are talking about directors and the law. So what are we going to be looking at under directors and the law? We'll be looking at the powers and the rights of the directors. The powers and the rights of directors. We'll be looking at the appointments, election, and removal of directors. How this concentrates on the legal framework and the dynamics, legal dynamics. We'll be looking at the duties and the legal obligations of the directors, like the fiduciary duty and responsibility, shares dealings by the directors, disqualification of directors, changing directors, and NOCLA as it relates to the board of directors. NOCLA simply means non-compliance to regulation. So if you are just joining us on this platform, say thank you for joining us. And people that have been on the platform before, you are welcome too. I'd love that everybody sign up. It's free. Click the notification button and subscribe to this channel. The subscription is absolutely free, but you need it to ensure that you are receiving alerts and notification when we release new videos, which definitely we are going to do by the grace of God. Also, people around you can easily be reached because you are in and among us, and we are building the community together. So please go and do that right away as we journey on into the board of directors and corporate governance environment. So after these lectures, we'll be discussing next the inductions of the directors, trainings of the directors, performance evaluations of the directors. It is important for us to know that performance evaluation is not limited to lower ranking managers and the like alone. Even the board should be evaluated and must, if I should use the word, must be evaluated. Their performance must be evaluated. So these are the items that we must talk about today, and we are going into it right away. So the powers and the rights of directors. It is important for us to know that even though from country to country, legal framework may differ, laws may be different, but one thing they all have in common is this: directors, corporate governance has its backbone in legality and regulatory framework. The laws may be different from nations, countries, kindred, but definitely there's a regulation that regulates these aspects of our society, the corporate environment. So the rights of the directors and the powers of directors are actually found and given to them by the law of the land. Whether in the UK, in the US, Australia, Netherlands, Nigeria, name the country, the basis of the power of the directors is in the law and the regulatory framework provided by the nation.